To split your Joycon controller into two separate controllers in Nintendo Switch 2, first of all, you will need to remove your controllers from the console like I have right here. You can do it simply by clicking on this button and then just snap them out from their slots. Now when we have them removed, we need to select the controllers from the options. It's right here. Select it, then go for change grip order. And now you need to click on the buttons for the controllers for both of them. Select SL and SR, then click on them. Now do it for the other controller as well. And now we can click on the X button right here, and it's normally X will register as A if you split them, and you have both of the controllers split. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.